for how the back looks like. You'll not ready.
What was that? Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
This looks cute. Today I woke up. Today I woke up today and I'm already tired of today. I woke up and I was like, oh my god. Like, I woke up and I was like, oh my god, like, I don't want to be up. Like, can I fall asleep again? Type shit. I was like, okay, since I am definitely going to bed in a little bit and sleep the whole day, why don't I just, I've been wanting to do this makeup last night because I was having like a rough night. This is a Halloween wig. That's why it looks like that. But it's very fitting for the makeup we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna tuck the hair like that and look crazy for a little bit. Foundation. So the thing is, with this makeup you should not like have full coverage. As you can see here, she have like, he have beard stains. This is a white people makeup because black people have perfect skin, and I don't remember any black person wearing foundation. So I'm gonna be using concealer here and there to make my skin look ashy a little bit, and like not like lighter than my whole body type thing. Next, powder. The thing here is to put too much powder to like a whole entire different skin, like very different from everything. I think this looks light enough, but yeah. Next, we're gonna do eyeshadow. They love the blue and green eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the blue and green. They be using their fingers, so let's go. I'm gonna take this blue shade. I think I'm gonna use this green. They used to be so proud when they do this makeup. They're like, yes, makeup look. Let's do some shimmer. They used to love shimmer. Fingers are definitely not the smartest tool ever, but yeah. Eyebrows. Their eyebrows thin, mine are not thin, so I'm gonna like try. And then they go ahead with like some eyeshadow. They do this so that we can see the eyebrow better. Because like, who wouldn't want to see this eyebrow? Next, they use love eyeliner. concealer. I'm gonna pick the lightest shade. This one. I have red hair. I'm gonna use this. The way they do it is next thing they do is they love the Cupid's bow. This is the finished look. This is us, and this is he, she. Why does it low-key look good? Like if I was a mom. This looks so good. So that was it for today. I am going to sleep and I'll probably edit it in like a week or something. I might decide not to sleep and go out in this.